Hey there, it's Vana from Enlightens, and today we're talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart: how to discern good people. In our lives, we come across all sorts of people, and it can be difficult to know who to trust and who to avoid. But with a little discernment and wisdom, we can learn to identify the people who will lift us up and make our lives better. One way to discern good people is by looking for the fruits of the Spirit, as described in Galatians 5:22-23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. These fruits of the Spirit are qualities that we should all aspire to, and they are also qualities that we can look for in the people around us. If someone consistently exhibits love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control, then they are likely a good person to have in our lives. The fruits of the Spirit are qualities that we should all aspire to, and they are also qualities that we can look for in the people around us. Let's take a closer look at each of these fruits and how they relate to discerning good people. Love. People who exhibit love are kind, compassionate, and caring. They put others before themselves and seek to build up those around them. Joy. People who exhibit joy are positive, uplifting, and enthusiastic. They bring a sense of lightness and happiness to those around them. Peace. People who exhibit peace are calm, level-headed, and able to maintain a sense of tranquility even during chaos. Patience. People who exhibit patience can wait calmly and without complaint. They are not easily frustrated or annoyed, and they are able to deal with difficult people or situations without losing their cool. Kindness. People who exhibit kindness are considerate, thoughtful, and empathetic. They go out of their way to make others feel valued and appreciated. Goodness. People who exhibit goodness have strong moral principles and strive to do what is right, even when it's difficult. Faithfulness. People who exhibit faithfulness are reliable, dependable, and loyal. They keep their promises and stand by their commitments. Gentleness. People who exhibit gentleness are meek, humble, and tender-hearted. They are not pushy or aggressive, but rather approach others with a sense of calm and respect. Self-control. People who exhibit self-control are disciplined and able to restrain themselves even in the face of temptation or difficulty. By looking for these qualities in the people around us, we can discern who is likely to be a positive influence in our lives and who we should avoid. Of course, it's important to remember that no one is perfect and everyone has their flaws. But by focusing on the fruits of the Spirit, we can make better choices about the people we allow into our inner circle. So, if you're looking to discern good people in your life, start by looking for the fruits of the Spirit. And remember to pray for wisdom and guidance as you navigate your relationships. If someone consistently exhibits qualities like anger, jealousy, bitterness, or selfishness, then they are likely not the kind of person we want to be around. Of course, it's important to remember that everyone has their bad days and their flaws, but by looking for the fruits of the Spirit, we can get a good sense of someone's character and whether they are likely to be a positive influence in our lives. It's also important to remember that discernment is a gift from God, and that we should pray for wisdom and guidance in all our relationships. Proverbs 2:6 says, "For the Lord gives wisdom. From his mouth come knowledge and understanding." So if you're looking to discern good people in your life, start by looking for the fruits of the Spirit, and remember to pray for wisdom and guidance as you navigate your relationships. If you need a little extra guidance, inspiration, or motivation, be sure to check out my books listed on Amazon at the links below. I've also listed the links in the description for where to send prayer requests, book a session, visit my store, or to join the Learning membership. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vana Enlightens for more life-changing advice. See you next time.